Let's work on this question. We want to find the probability underneath a normal distribution, in this case, bone density. Bone density is normally distributed with an average of 5 grams per cubic centimeter and a standard deviation of 0.8 grams per cubic centimeter. Let's find the probability of somebody having a bone density less than 6 grams per cubic centimeter. And as always, we're going to draw a picture. So bone densities are normally distributed. So I can immediately recognize that this is the general shape of bone densities. They're normally distributed. Their average is 5. I'm going to leave off units. Everything is going to be grams per cubic centimeter. So the center of that distribution is 5, and the standard deviation, let's remind ourselves of what it is. It tells us how spread out the data is, 0.8 grams per cubic centimeter. Let's find the probability of having a bone density less than 6. So where is 6 on this distribution? If it's centered at 5, then 6 is somewhere over here. And I want the probability of having a bone density less than 6. So I want the area underneath this distribution to the left of 6. Now, the only way to find probabilities underneath normal distributions is to use our z-score chart. So I need to turn this into z-scores. And by doing this, I take a general normal distribution and turn it into a standard normal distribution. So these are going to be the z-scores of bone densities. And the reason I want to look at z-scores is because it makes it a standard normal distribution. So my average is 0 and my standard deviation is 1. Right, this is the way that we can use that chart. You take any normal distribution and turn it into a standard normal distribution. And we ask ourselves the exact same question. What is this area? In fact, we need to figure out what the z-score of 6 is. So let's use our z-score equation. The z-score of the bone density of 6 is 6 minus the average over their standard deviation. So what is 1 divided by 0.8? We get 1.25. So this point right here that we're interested in is 1.25. Now I want to find the area to the left of the z-score 1.25. I go to my chart. So I go down to my chart and I find the z-score 1.25. So here's 1.2. And 1.25 is right here. So the area to the left of the z-score 1.25 is 0.8944 or 89.44%. So this right here, this area is 89.44%. So that means this area up here is 89.44%. So 89.44% of people have a bone density less than 6 grams per cubic centimeter.